Welcome to Rohit Krishi Industries Private Limited. Rohit Krishi brings to you a range of high technology farm equipments for seeding, planting, fertilizing, transplanting, moisture conservation and land preparation. Available in various models and capacities, now you can sow seed, fertilizer, sets, tubers and seedlings conveniently with Rohit Krishi's advanced technology planters. Inclined plate multi-crop seed cum fertilizer planters. Rohit 1-row multi-crop seed cum fertilizer planter is specially manufactured to meet small and marginal farm requirement. This is the smallest model with single seed dispenser. This model allows farmer to single-handedly sow seeds and dispense fertilizer in his farm. It is easy to use and handle, no more stress, and is also available in 2 rows. Rohit 3-row animal drawn multi-crop seed cum fertilizer planter is a mid-size model. It is drawn by a pair of animal and has a capacity to plant 3 rows of seeds along with fertilizer. It has depth control wheels on either side of machine, hence less stress to animals. The planter comes with a lever which allows the farmer to stop or restart the sowing process at headlands as per his requirements. It is a low maintenance planter and due to less draft and easy mechanism, it is user friendly. Rohit 5-row MTD multi-crop seed cum fertilizer planter is a mid-sized tractor drawn model and it is specially made for the customized sowing of farms where mini tractors are needed to do the job. This high selling model has 4 to 5 row capacity. Made for maximum precision, the seed sowing is done in impeccable method. It uses single seed inclined plate principle at recommended distance to plant optimum seeds with simultaneous operation of Sara, seed planting, covering of seeds and fertilizing process. Rohit 5-row tractor drawn broadbed furrow planter cum sprayer with seed covering device. Rohit 5-row BBF planter cum sprayer is a tractor drawn model and is specially made for moisture conservation. The planter performs seed and fertilizer sowing, seed covering, furrow making and weedicide spraying operations in single operation. The furrows made helps to conserve rainwater as well as help to drain off the excess water from the field. Rohit 4-row tractor drawn maize planter is specially designed for maize planting. The fertilizer box has sufficient storage as per the crop requirement. Cotton and other space planted crops can be planted by using this planter. Broad bed planting, ridge furrow planting can be achieved by employing ridgers on the main frame. Rohit 9-row tractor drawn multi-crop seed cum fertilizer planter. Rohit 9-row TD seed cum fertilizer planter is the heavy duty 9-row implanter which has a seed cum fertilizer metering system. This allows the farmer to customize recommended distance for seed sowing and fertilizer dropping. The fertilizer dropping system allows precise flow as per requirement. These multi-crop planter has separate compartments in seed box for easy intercropping. Also, the planter has provision for mounting Sara, seed covering device, ridges accessories. The inclined plate seed metering system ensures uniform seed sowing. Thus, it helps in terms of seed saving. The entire process leads to minimum use of seeds and less stress on farmers' physical activity. Rohit sugarcane planter. Rohit one-row sugarcane planter is a mid-size model specially manufactured to meet the demand of small and medium farmers. The planter makes the furrows, cuts sugarcane fade by operator into sets, plant cut set in furrows, cover the planted set with soil and simultaneously apply fertilizer in a single operation. Also, the farmer can adjust row spacing as per his requirement. Rohit 2-row sugarcane planter is a big size model manufactured for large farms, which plants the sugarcane at 3, 4 and 5 feet row distance. Adjustable depth of planting and row spacing makes it suitable for various soil types. Thus, the high quality and durable planter makes sugarcane planting efficient, faster and more cost effective. It is low maintenance planter machine with better maneuverability and easy mechanism which makes it user friendly. Rohit 2-row seedling transplanter. The Rohit Krishi 2-row seedling transplanter is a semi-automatic tractor-drawn transplanter. This semi-automatic transplanter has been specially designed for transplanting vegetables, sugarcane and other seedlings grown in portrays or seedlings with bare roots. The finger-type metering mechanism mounted on a moving chain helps to achieve uniform transplanting depth, place the seedling perfectly in upright position, constant distance between plants. The press wheels are provided to press the soil around the planted seedlings. The planter opens the furrow, plant the seedling and press the soil around seedling. The row spacing and plant spacing is adjustable and can be set as per the requirement. Rohit Krishi 2-row semi-automatic potato planter is a mid-size model to meet the demand of small and marginal farmers. It has provision of seeds for laborers to feed the potato seed into the indexer. The planter opens the furrow, plant the potatoes and cover the potatoes with soil by making ridge. The disc and tine ridgers are used for soil covering and ridge making. It has provision to sow fertilizer along with the potatoes. The planter can also be used for planting ginger and turmeric tuber crops. Rohit Krishi 1-row automatic potato planter is specially designed for mini tractors where mini tractors are being used for crop production. It has a hopper with adjustable opening to adjust the potatoes storage level before the cup welds. The elevator belts have 2 lines of interposed screw cups and adjustable vibrator behind them, which guarantee perfect pickup of seed potatoes. The wedge-shaped furrow opens the furrow, the elevator belt cup plant the potatoes and discs covers the potatoes with soil. The fertilizer dropping system allows precise flow as per requirement. The distance between potatoes is adjustable. The discs are adjustable to obtain any row shape. Rohit Vibro Subsoiler. Made for strong performance and easy use, the Vibro Subsoiler machine has 2 side wheels for easy depth control. It has subsoiling depth up to 70 cm, which breaks the hard pan, allowing rainwater to reach deep into the soil. Hence, the air and the water are better absorbed throughout the soil, promoting better crop growth and also increases the crop yield. Hence, the air and water are better absorbed throughout the soil, promoting better crop growth and also increases the crop yield. Rohit rotary tillers. Rohit rotary tillers, available in various models and capacities, are specially designed for land preparation. It helps in seedbed preparation in short duration and helps to retain moisture, and also increases soil porosity and aeration, which helps to enhance germination and crop growth. Rohit rotary tiller cum bed maker is specially designed for land preparation along with bed making. This will help to save an operation of bed making, which is done after the bed preparation. This ensures smooth seed bed preparation along with bed making. Rohit Krishi cultivates the crop of prosperity